I took out my container. In it are all my finished works. I set them aside here. They are brand new, or here are the works waiting for their time. We will still carry them. Or something for sale. Here are the toys, in general, things that are not used, but related, yes. Here, and I placed 2 hats for Yankees here. I will tell you a bit about them later. Here is a little overview for you. What I have here, I probably showed you already some time ago. What I have here in general, here is such a SNUD. There is a masterclass on the channel. There is a masterclass for this SNUD on the channel. Now I have this little bag. I knitted it based on someone else's masterclass a long time ago. But I haven't carried it anywhere. It would need a lining. But somehow I don't have time for that. Such a summer beach bag, I like it. I like the color, and these handles are so nice. But I need to make a lining, so that it holds its shape, but I have no time for that. Maybe later, when? And from the same yarn, I have this vegetable bag. Purple, also cool. But I haven't taken it out yet, such a vegetable bag. There is a masterclass on the channel for the vegetable bag. And there is also a masterclass on this little vegetable on the main channel. I think I took this one somewhere just once. It's like this. And here are all the others already. Oh no, there's still this one, a little hat. I knitted it for my son once. But we never wore it. Not even the lining is sewn on. Here's a bear. A hat? A bear? That's why it's still new? I don't know. We'll see. It's probably too small for him now. So maybe I will gift it to someone. In general, it's just lying around for now. Here are all the toys left. I also made such bracelets before. They can be worn on the arm or on the leg. They are cheerful and summery like this. And next I have this little ball. There's also my masterclass on the channel. And this toy is made following someone else's masterclass. I participated in a marathon. I also posted a video for you. I have a marathon here on the channel. About what I said during the marathon, all these. These toys, a squirrel, a little tiger, a hedgehog. A little for fox, so this mushroom, I think, belongs to the squirrel. There were also other toys from the marathon. But I sold some and gifted some. In general, this is all that's left. Therefore, this is my special container with works that I have lying around for now. And now, about these little hats. Look, these hats are for my daughter. She wore them, but not for very long at all. There were many of them, so we wore them little, but I like them. This little hat is a cat with ears. It seems like it was factory knitted, but I thought, why not keep it as a sample knit a bit bigger? That is for Yanka. For my daughter, just a bit larger in size so she can still wear it, and the color can also be changed as a sample. I kept one hat and a second one. I also like these types of weavings. It is a double hat, and it has a ribbing of 2 by 2. It is also convenient and warm and beautiful. Here, it is also double, but it has a ribbing of 1 by 1. That is why, friends, thank you for watching. I hope you found it interesting. Stay with me on the channel. We will meet again very soon in my next video. Bye bye everyone.